Some people take road trip by plane and cars. We take road trips in our semi trucks. We're traveling from Texas all the way to California. To be exact, McAllen, Texas to Tracy, California. This is my semi truck and this is my parents. They're all tagging along. And let's make this road trip all the way to California. This is my mother right there. And let's not forget my friend Paul. Quick stop here in El Paso, Texas. This is where I'm starting off the vlog, guys. These are my parents right here. Woo, boy, we're rolling strong. We're rolling deep. Look at them, look at them, look at them. Bro, he's letting me a kiss. We're literally about to enter New Mexico, guys, that fast. I would say from El Paso to New Mexico is probably like 30 to 35 minutes from where I was at. So yeah, that was pretty quick. There wasn't that much traffic like every other day, man. Usually there's traffic like on Fridays and Mondays, but that wasn't that bad. Let's enter New Mexico. And for the viewers that are not truck drivers, we have to pass Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and then we enter to California. We got a couple states to go down, guys. My mirror is so dirty, guys, and the sun is all up in my face, man. But we're here at the immigration checkpoint. It's little, it's kind of never open. So usually this one we always fly it by. Sometimes it's really rare when it's open, but hey, you never know. Let's see right now what's going on. It's closed, really easy. That one's always closed. But now we gotta make it to Lordsburg, New Mexico, so that we can fill up with my family, and hopefully the sun goes down a little because it's literally like a vampire right now. We're finally in New Mexico, guys. Time to put some fuel at our first stop. I'm on pub number 8. Got my parents right next to me. So we got both of the trucks fueling up. We got my parents inside the semi truck fueling up. Woo, my baby's bright. Remember to always pull up after you're done fueling, because man, all these truck drivers always get mad. Look at my parents just waiting for me like, hurry up, man, hurry up. Well, I gotta go get my receipt. ¿No van a ir a agarrar nada? No. ¿Ya comieron? Thank you. Let's get out of here, boys. My parents are waiting for me. Oh, this cup is hot. It's dripping on me. Yeah. Let's go. Let's get out of here, boys. It's my favorite part of the night, turning these bad boys on. We're literally maybe like 15 minutes away from entering the New Mexico scale, I-10 going westbound. It's usually closed at this time, and you know, we usually always run this time because, oh, my lights aren't even on, because we want to pass the scale at night. So yeah, guys, let's see how that goes. We're basically gonna enter Arizona in 10 minutes, 15 minutes, so fast, right? I feel like New Mexico is just that little state where it's just like this big, and you just go boop. Yeah, so kind of taking up room because I don't know why we gotta pass by here. But yeah, guys, it's pitch black. Look at my lights. Oh my god, what a beauty. Having my truck all fixed up and everything, it just fuels me. I'm using a little trucker keywords. Yeah, basically it just fuels me. It keeps me going. It motivates me so much to have my truck like this, man. I do want to add these. Whoa, 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 while my parents stopping. Whoa, 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 sir. But yeah, I want to add these in the back right there, because if you see, they're just plain white, and that's kind of boring. Maybe that's the next thing that I'm gonna do to my semi truck. For now, let's get on I-10 and pass that scale, and I'll show you guys how it is. This scale during the day, if you guys are OTO or you guys always pass by here, man, you guys know this place be hot with the DOT and everything. Like right now, right here, it's gonna tell me, I don't know, maybe to enter or to bypass. Let's see. Ready? We're currently passing the scale right now. We're passing it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bypass. Bypass. Truck bypass. Oh yeah, yeah. California, here I come! Guys, make sure to subscribe. I'm trying to reach 10K subscribers by the end of this summer, so please let me accomplish my goal, guys. Shout out to my compa Noe. I just see my bro right here on the I-10, right here, about to get to Hilo, Arizona. Fuga, fuga, fuga. We got a long way to go. He's going to San Jose, California. Let's get off the 10. Whoa, 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 whoa. There's a semi-truck parked there in the middle. Oh, don't tell me it broke down. Now we gotta go around. Oh my god. Okay. This guy's gonna go over there. He's not even gonna know what to do. Wait, I don't know who messed up, him or us. Look at my parents. They're bringing us through the dirt. We're literally off-roading in our 18-wheelers right now, guys. Gotta make sure I don't run over that tire. Ooh, I am. Alright guys, so breaking down, especially here in the middle, is very dangerous. You never want to be this guy, man. Oh, I literally just fell in a pothole. Look at this guy right here, man. And one mistake he's doing, I know he has his four-way flashers, but he's not even putting out cones, and I think he's just asleep inside of there. I wonder what caused him to be stuck there, man. Right in the middle of the, right here, right in the middle of the street. We cleared it, boys, we cleared it. I hope my pellets didn't fall with that little, my trailer moving around, rocking in those potholes, man. But anyways, we should be good, we should be good. Come on, we gotta make it out of here, boys. We're currently heading to the entrance of California. It's called Vidal, California. That's literally the border, Arizona. Right when you enter California, that's what it's called, Vidal. There's an agriculture there, guys. Every time I have been bringing this product of mangoes, they always want to be checking my product. And it's literally to the point where the person is there, they ask me for my paperwork or they want to inspect it. I feel like it just depends on the person who's there. So right now when we get there, guys, you guys are gonna see. I hope that they don't expect it, because let me show you guys what time it is. It's currently 3:17 a.m. and by the time I get there, it's probably gonna be 4 and some change. But I hope they don't inspect my product, because that will honestly cause me a delay of everything. And we gotta be in Tracy tomorrow ASAP. Like I said, guys, we're literally running from California all the way. I mean, like I said, guys, we're literally running from Texas to California in less than 24 hours. So we gotta get there ASAP. Thank you. You too. Appreciate it. All right, boys. We made it clear. Now it's time to go to sleep. I'm literally in California now. The sun is literally almost about to come out. You can't tell through the camera, but it's almost gonna be sunlight here. Alright guys, me and Paul and my family just made it here to Vidal, California. Now it's time for us to get some sleep. We're gonna sleep a couple hours, maybe like 4, 3, who knows? Good morning guys, we just woke up. Well, they woke me up. All I heard was people cooking on my grill, man. And let me show you guys what my family is doing. They're actually cooking them some breakfast right now. ¿Tienes hambre? ¿Ya tienes hambre? Hey, the chef getting down. Ah, ¿te acabaste todos los huevos? Pues, ¿qué le dice? Que amaneció muy pila Raúl hoy. Habla del chef. Mira, anda bien movido, mira. Breakfast is almost ready, guys. Time to close down the kitchen, guys, and time to hit the road. I'm running low on water. So we're currently stopped in traffic right now. It looks like this semi truck. I don't know. Let me see. Pallet fell or he flipped over. I don't know. Oh, yeah, it's right here. Look at this truck. Oh, he flipped over. Alright guys, so I didn't shower this part, but we ended up showering because, you know, we left Texas, so we had to make one quick stop. Right now, they're eating Chester. Alright guys, so we ended up just eating and now we're back on the road. I literally felt like I couldn't even record that because, you know, we haven't showered, we haven't really ate, so I was just super out of it. But yeah guys, thank God we thank God we ate already, man. And now we're back on the road again. Just got news right now that my parents are not gonna be going with me to deliver this load. Oh, I also want to say this, that my girlfriend will be coming on a trekking adventure from California all the way to Texas, my regular route. She's gonna be coming with me next month, June, July. I don't really know what months, but June, July, yeah. In July, she's gonna be coming with me, so I can't wait. I can't wait to show you guys everything, how it's gonna go. Just recording the whole adventure. It's super exciting for me. Super, super duper. No, todavía no abren el gate. No, no hay nadie. Ya estoy aquí como...
Okay, en 2 minutos aprietas la letra y call y ahorita te van a abrir.
Ok, dijo la... ¿Qué puerta? ¿20 o 21?
Sí, hasta el final de las puertas, en la última puerta.
Ok. ¿Ya puedo abrir las puertas, se da?
Sí, ahí ya te pegas aquí. Vas a ver que está un trailer que estamos cargando y al otro lado de ese te pones.
Ok, está bueno pues.
Bueno, pues.
Gracias. I just got to the company, but I'm super tired. I literally want to just take a nap. My family ended up going to Fresno to my home, and I gotta deliver this load. I just want to go to sleep. You guys do not know how exhausted I am. Can you guys tell by my face? If you're planning to be a trucker, man, I always say this like in every video, make sure you make the right choice coming into the trucking industry. This is what you have to do. You barely sleep, but the money's good. Don't get me wrong, money is good in trucking. If you're a driver, I don't know about owner operators, can't speak on that. Be wise. When you're coming into the trucking field, I'm telling you from experience. In the meanwhile, let's try to get in because I'm trying to go to sleep. Finally, the gate opened. Let's go, guys. Gonna call it a night, and I'm literally gonna go to sleep now. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And me and Paul, we're gonna be sleeping here, so I'll see you guys on the next video.